okay. I'll answer that. Because sobrang tagal makakompleto talaga ng 18 roses. Especially pag marami kang gustong kuhanin from the business. Kasi, again, March 10 is a Tuesday. And then, I have some friends there na may taping, na may prior sked and commitments. So, I just wanted to be safe. Ang importante is, nalagay ko lahat ng gusto kong maging part ng candles ko. Whoever will make it will be there. Whoever will not, meron akong gustong ilagay doon na malalagay as the replacement.
Okay. And before our next question, we'd like to give you a sneak peek of what's going to happen for the TV special, Just Julia, Beautiful at 80. Play.
In-demand cover girl, sought after brand endorser, primetime leading lady.
Thank you,
Nakakasigaw naman yung ngiti mo.
Mira, can cherry mo.
It girl. The girl is turning into a woman. Get to know her from the people who love her most.
She was really beautiful also as a baby. And those dimples, she already had that.
Even though I wrestle in her bed, she doesn't get mad at me. Love you. And she always plays video games with me. She understands me.
So when I do open up, like she's always just listening and she won't judge me.
Automatic pag umiiyak yan, iiyak din ako.
She's an amazing, fine young lady. She's misunderstood, sobra. And I really like for people to get to know her. To me, she's not just Julia, but she's my Julia.
Nakailang auditions yan si Julia, nakailang look tests yan. She was rejected many, many times in her life. She worked very hard to be who she is now. And I also pray for her to, shine on her own. Because after all, it's all her hard work.
Every time na you work hard on something, pero hindi sa'yo nabibigay yung credit. That's why I'm so motivated to work so hard para one day it's gonna be like, ang galing ni Julia, it's because she did so well.
Just Julia. Beautiful at 18. March 29, Sunday's Best. Exclusively on ABS-CBN.
Wow! Palakpakan naman, guys. Napakaganda ng teaser na ito. Exciting. Sino po ang susunod na magtatanong? Tito Eugene.
Julia, yung sabi mo kanina yung course, yung parang figure dun sa debut, na sabi mo strong. So how do you handle all the mga negative issues around you right now? Being a strong young woman.
Siguro number one is because I grew up na nakasanayan ko siguro po it was something I expected when I entered the industry. Pero it's different pag ikaw na nakaka-experience, diba? But then, along the way, you realize that these negative issues, they don't actually last forever. At some point, they end. They don't even last a month, diba? So parang, I choose to be strong. I choose to be positive. And I always choose to be the better person, the wiser one. So siguro depende lang yun sa perspective mo.
So, para ma-end na yung, kumbaga yung issue, are you inviting your father to the
Of
party?
course, yes. My dad's invited.
Okay.
Yes, and he's my first dad.
Wow, thank you.
Yes, may follow-ups, Tito Jerry.
Yung kumusta naman, nagbigay na ng message para si Tita Claudine mo? Any reaction?
Actually, I've never seen the message just now. My reaction, syempre I'm happy. I'm happy to hear from her and I can't wait to watch the full interview. Yeah.
Invited daw ba si Tita Claudine mo?
They're all invited, yes.
Oh, even Tita Gretchen?
Yes, they're all invited.
Thank you. O, Sal,
What about the Lolo and Lola?
Invited.
The family.
The whole family is
family.
invited.
Okay. Siguro, Julia, can you share to us sino yung mga 18 roses mo, sino yung 18 candles?
80 Roses, may list ako. May list ko dyan.
Just a few names lang.
A few names. Syempre, of course, do I name all? Should I name some lang?
Some lang.
Sige.
The
Ay,
likes
all
of-
na lang.
Yeah.
Pero wala akong mamiss. Eto. Julia's 18 roses are Dennis Padilla, Mateo Viticelli, River Cruz, Enchon B, Khalil Ramos, Robbie Domingo, San Concepcion, Dominic Roque, Leon Barreto, Mark Barreto, John Barreto, Cholo Barreto, Jason, Mark Sung, Miguel Barreto, John Sweet Lapus, Enrique Hill, and Inigo Pascual. There.
Yes. Okay. Most of them are your relative, your